Happy Easter, everybody. Just a quick pop on. It is Easter Day. It's been about the baking for me. Scalloped potatoes and, you know, all the trimmings of things that are Easter. No Easter candy, not in my house. I'm empty nester, so that is not something that's needed, but I do have sweets. So I do have a bundt cake. I have pound cake little cupcakes that are dipped in glaze, keeping it simple and pretty and light. I have my homemade apple juice and my homemade cranberry juice, and I also have green tea. So those are what is in the bottle. This is my sad dough. I mean, it worked out okay, but it didn't work out the best. This is the Autolyse, the really wet dough that I was so frustrated with. I'm still enamored by the thought of what I went through to get that dough to even hold up, sit up. Anyway, and deviled eggs, it's a tradition. I may not be coloring eggs, but I do have eggs. And then I have beans and corn, buttered both. And then I have a honey glazed ham with pineapple. And those are actually dates. So sometimes I do it with cherries. Sometimes I just mix it up every year. So those are dates that I dried actually. And yeah. So, my scalloped potatoes, I can't wait to dig in. This is all I'm making. Good enough before people come eat. So, thank you all so much for everything you do.